Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. The guest. My sister! Okay, so this video is called Squishy Collection. And so we're going to show you all of our squishies. Look. So yeah, so we'll show this first squishy. This first squishy is a pink little squishy, and it's a roll actually, and it's very squishy, and it's like very. I have a face on it. So. Okay, and our second squishy is this kind of blue. Is this little peach? It's kind of broken, guys. So it's just like very slow rising and stuff. Yeah, look. It takes like when my dad squished it into a ball, it took like 5 days. And so we're from this video. So yeah. So next squishy. The next squishy is this milk squishy. Milk squishy, and it's actually Izzy's. It's a milk squishy. I already does all that. So yeah, it's very squishy. It's like these little squiggly lines and a line, like bigger milk and some eyes and a mouth. Okay, so guess what? We have this whole bunch of squishies here. Like, oh my god. And we're both gonna pull them out. So we'll just put you guys over there. So guys, we're gonna pull them all out. See, there's like, I bet there's like 12 or something in here. But there's so many little. So I'm gonna start opening them. Whoa. Okay, that's a lot. Like, I did not imagine this much. So we have this. It's sitting on a squishy. No, it fell. Okay. And there's this, like, I don't know how to make it, but I don't know what emoji this is. Comment down below. What emoji would you have at the end of the video? Subscribe and like. And this one's a cry emoji. But so we're not taking out the wrappers like this one. Okay, this is a smiley face. And then guys, this is like a crying thing. I showed them that. It's like it's like a keychain dude with a backpack. And this is a tongue one, and this is when I like, I don't know if on camera this looks like a not a real squishy, but actually looks so soft. It's because she's so cute. So let's start opening more. And this is smiley face one eye closed. Another tongue, and there's so many like the same emojis and stuff. Yeah. So another one with that teeth thing. And at the end of the video, we're gonna count all these squishies and see how many we have. And this is this. Another one eye. It's like, guys, this is white, and you see the difference. A light white, a light yellow, and a dark yellow. And I just look, see, they're the same, see? And then 2 eye card emoji. But we only have one of that on here. And this one. And that one's like all the ones that have the wrappers on them. So yeah. We're just gonna open them. So these are ones, we just gotta find it and then don't talk further. Okay, I'm kidding. Don't talk. It's really annoying. This one's very big. Oh, the worst squishy ever. Like, I bet a few of these were from the Mochi movie. But the Emoji movie was selected as the worst movie ever. But I don't think so. The best movie ever. No, it was the worst movie ever. Okay, so we're gonna count our squishies now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14. I already counted that one. 14. To have 14 squishies.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, all this is going like all this
5,
guys.
6, 7,
go.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Oh my God.
13, 14 squishies, guys. So it
Yeah, I
wasn't
think I said
14.
that.
It is 14.
I think our next video is gonna be related and not related, cause I don't think we're related. It's not my fault. You're more like sexy. I'm not. I'm kind of sexy.
Thank you.
I'm sexy.
know
You're
I'm
beautiful. Like in the nighttime, I'm sexy. Ow. Okay, these cannot fit in this box. Only one can. So it's the end of the video.
Subscribe, comment, and please subscribe. If you subscribe,
You don't tell them what to comment. Comment
when we
if
get
you
to
have this
1,000
many
subscribers,
squishies.
and if you subscribe, we will give you
One of these squishies.
2 of these squishies. You can put anywhere, but different. So,
Without
and
really
also
hanging.
comment which one you want. And if you subscribe, we'll give you 2 of these squishies, guys. And if you also want, you can give
Or
me
you
4.
can have these 2. Or you can have these 2. Or you can have any of these 2. These 2.
And you also have all 3 of them. But guys, just please subscribe, please.
Please.
And comment too. And give us
I
a
have
thumbs
one
up.
time
Bye.
message. Bye.